Rise and shine, all INIs. So today I am turning this carrot into carrot bacon. I am so excited because I never tried this before. A lot of vegans, plant-based eaters turn their carrots into bacon, perhaps, quote unquote, to get that crunchy feeling, I guess. So I'm trying it today. I cut off the skin on the other side, and I'm going to cut off the skin on this other side because I wanted to just test it to try to make a sample of it. I love like how it's looking like bacon, so I'm just going to use the whole carrot, season it really good, and yeah, so let me cut all of it and then come back so we can season it. Okay, so this is what I could manage to cut out, because you want to make them really, really thin so it can crisp up. So now I'm just going to sprinkle some seasoning on it and oil up my pan. We're cooking it in my cast iron skillet pan. So let's see how that turns out. This is my first time doing it, so I don't even know if it's going to... We'll see. All right, so I just finished seasoning it, and these are the seasonings that I seasoned the carrot bacon with right here. Now I'm about to oil my pan. I'm trying 2 at a time. I decided to do 3. Couldn't really cut it right, but let's see. Let's just leave it on there for a little bit and see how it goes. So I was trying to crisp it up, but it ended up actually like burning a little bit. But let's see how I do it on this other little side. And let me turn my heat down low a little bit. And let's see how I do on the other side. But so far, it's looking crisp like some bacon. Some healthy bacon. Hey. All right, and here is the finished product. Me and Egypt ate the first 3, but this is what it's coming out to. And then, but obviously you can make it as crispy as you would like it to be. You hear that crunch? Here, Egypt. That crunch. This really could be fries too, chips too. It reminds me of like chips, sweet potato fries. It reminds me of that.
Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey. Feel free to donate to the restoration of the Garden of Eden. Your donation will contribute to a bountiful harvest for all of I&I. Thank you for your love and support.